Welcome to the installation, commissioning, and operation guide for the NXR-38 thermal overload relay. Before beginning, please disconnect the power source and wear insulating gloves and protective goggles. Please prepare wire strippers, crimping tools, appropriately sized wires, wire lugs, screwdrivers, insulated gloves, and a multimeter. Before starting the installation, please read the instructions carefully. Check that the stop button, reset button, and test button functionalities are normal. The technique to installation is to involves initially aligning the AC contactor actuator with the upper edge from the ding rail, then pressing down to the lower edge to ensure the contactor is correctly secured on the ding rail. Use a screwdriver to remove the AC contactor terminals 2T1, 4T2, and 6T3. Hang the rear cover hook of the thermal relay into the slot of the AC contactor. Then, align the three conductive rods of the thermal relay 1L1, 3L2, and 5L3 with the terminals of the AC contactor, slightly pressing them into position and finally tightening the screws with a screwdriver. Be aware that the washer under the contactor terminal will press down the conductive rods. If you need to dismantle the thermal relay, use a screwdriver to remove the contactor terminal screws. Press the bottom part of the AC contactor to detach it from the ding rail, and tilt it forward at a slight angle for removal. Make sure to check that the current setting on the thermal relay's adjustment cam corresponds to the preset working conditions. Before starting the wiring steps, ensure to select wires with the appropriate cross-sectional area based on the product's current rating, as recommended in the instruction. For primary circuit wiring, carefully strip 11 to 13 mm of the copper wire insulation using wire strippers to ensure the length of exposed copper is appropriate. For auxiliary circuit wiring, strip 9 to 11 mm. Next, use crimping pliers to securely crimp the wire lug onto the end of the copper wire to ensure reliability. For NXR-38 auxiliary contact terminals 95, 96, connect in the same loop with contactor terminals A1, A2. The terminals 97, 98 are normal open contacts. Finally, use an electric screwdriver set to the specified torque value to tighten the wires. After completing these steps, the wiring section is completed. Before powering up, check the functionality of the stop button, reset button, and test button. After applying power, use a multimeter to perform continuity tests on the thermal relay to verify normal operation. If problems occur, please refer to the fault analysis and troubleshooting guide. We will introduce diagnostic methods and solutions for common faults, such as the relay not operating or misoperating. For more information, please visit our official website, or get in touch with our local representatives for assistance.